redeem or use your Giflty gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can redeem or use your Giflty gift card online. In order to do so, first thing, open up web browser of your choice. And after that, on search box, you need to type in the link. So that is www.giftly.com/enter code. You can also find the link on my description box below. You'll be directed to the redemption page. On this interface, make sure that you're already logged in and that you already have an account. And once you're on this page, what you'll need to do is you need to enter the redemption code right over here, and then you also need to mark on this "I'm not a robot" option. And once you're done entering your information, then click on go to my gift, which is right at the bottom, and you'll be taken to the other interface where you need to follow the on-screen instruction. And in this way, you can use or redeem your Giflty gift card online. In case if you don't have a code on your card, then what you can do is you can simply click on the link that says "My gift does not have a code." It will be provided with some alternative instruction. So in this way, you can redeem or use your Giflty gift card online. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.